Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to another video. So in the today's session, we are going to discuss about the career doubt sessions. So our well viewers and subscribers commented many doubts. So I have picked some important IT career doubts. So before moving to the main topic, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. So let's start. To the main topic. So the first question is, can diploma students eligible to do software testing job or not? Yes, so who completed diploma IT course with 3 years of experience, then those candidates are eligible to do software testing job also. You have to think one thing, friends. There are huge competition is there in software industry because there are number of candidates who qualified BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA candidates are there. So my recommendation is please complete BTech at least in the distance education as well. Then you will have better career growth in software field. And the next question is React and NodeJS working for the same purpose in the IT projects? ReactJS and NodeJS is a different technologies, friends. Okay, so ReactJS is a JavaScript library to create user interfaces. Okay, and this ReactJS technology worked in front-end technologies. Uh, Whereas Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment where we can run the JavaScript code outside of the browser. So Node.js we are using backend development, or we can create the APIs or web servers using Node.js. Okay, so in the same project you can use React.js and Node.js, but both are not same purpose. Okay, so React.js are using for front-end technology and Java and Node.js are using for back-end technology development. Okay, and the next question is, I am searching for software job as a fresher. I have uploaded my profile various job portals but not getting calls. What should I do? See friends, as a fresher, even though if you are uploading your job portals in different job portals, you may not get more calls because software companies used to hire the freshers candidate through their official website or off-campus drives only. So 80 to 90% of the MNC companies, they don't source the fresher profiles through job portals. So as a fresher, don't expect more calls from MNC companies. Okay, so they used to hire the fresher candidate through off-campus drives, or you have to upload your profile in their official website. So if your profile matching to their opening positions, then definitely they will mail to you. Okay, and the next question is, which one has more career growth, Informatica tool or Talend ETL tool? See friends, nowadays Talend ETL tool is more popular in IT market compared to Informatica tool. Okay, because Talend ETL tool is used for data integration purpose, and it supports big data technologies. Okay, you no need to write much queries as well by using Talend ETL. You just have to work like drag and drop the components. Okay, to achieve big data processing technologies by using Talend ETL. Whereas the Informatica ETL, you have to write some queries manually. You must be strong in to write SQL queries. And the next question is, I have completed SQL or SQL course. What should learn next? What should I have to learn next course to get job in 3 months? See friends, if you are planning to become a ETL developer or SQL developer, you already completed SQL developer course, then better to learn ETL developer course, and then you have to add one more technology, Unix or Linux as well. Then you will definitely get job as a SQL developer. So the primary skills are SQL, ETL and Unix or Linux. Okay, then you can become a ETL developer and you will get job as well. And the next question is, how long Power BI exists in software industry? See friends, we cannot predict any technology how much long time it exists in the software companies. but with my experience, any tool, it will be long lasting only, like you can expect next 3 to 4 years, no problem. And the next question is, how is the future of a .NET developer? Yes, .NET developer positions also, there are huge job opportunities are there in software companies, friends, because Microsoft related products are, they are implementing the projects, and also Microsoft company encouraging the people who are having experience in .NET technologies only. So there are huge number of Microsoft related existing projects are there, and they are adding the features, and also many Microsoft related projects also are coming in the future. So without hesitating, you can learn .NET technologies as well. There is a better career growth is there. The next question is, how long time takes to learn full stack engineering? See, friends, it depends on the trainer and the institute. Okay, some trainers will complete a full stack engineer course within 6 months, and some trainers will take 4 months or 8 months. Some trainers will complete the full stack engineer course within 10 months. Depends on your trainer and what you are learning the syllabus. And the next question is, how to learn coding fast? See, friends, with my experience, I am saying, if you learn any technology very fast, then you will forget your concepts in that fast only. Okay, no one become expert in short time. Okay, so only one thing you have to do, practice only, and it takes long time to become expert on any technology, even in coding or programming also. Definitely you will improve your logical building thing within 1 year or 2 years. And the next question is RPA jobs are future or not? Yes, definitely. RPA jobs are slowly growing, friends. Nowadays, RPA jobs also getting more calls, like automation anywhere, okay, UI path. So if anyone wants to start RPA career, then you can start right now. Then definitely getting calls nowadays. In the future also, there are huge job opportunities are there related to RPA jobs. And the next question is, which is the best career growth, ETL testing or Power BI? See, friends, if you are very interested in testing the application, then you can choose ETL testing, and that too you must be strong in database technologies like SQL queries. Then only you can choose ETL testing. Otherwise, if you are very interested data analysis purpose, then you have to choose business intelligence tool like Power BI. Okay. And the next question is DevOps jobs are stressful? My answer is, for this question, it depends on the work-based context, and also based on the projects and based on your project manager. If you are working in the startup company as a DevOps engineer, you might feel some stress feeling only, because in startup companies you have to play very important role from beginning to ending of the project. So therefore you might feel some stress feeling as a DevOps engineer in startup companies. Suppose if it is a MNC companies, you might not feel that much stressful, because in MNC companies they distribute the work on different people. Okay, so you may not feel that much stress in MNC companies or product based companies. Okay. Friends, there are hundreds of doubts are there from our subscribers and well viewers. I will definitely clarify all your doubts by uploading a weekly one video like this. So if you are really interested in this video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to forward your friends as well, because it might be helpful to choose best technology to start their IT career. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.